Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD tutorial how to change rectangle size. Okay, for example, I will draw rectangle. You can go to line tools and click a rectangle. I will create stuff from these points into here. Now, if you want to change this rectangle size, we can use stretch tools. You can go to modify, click stretch, and then I will click stuff from this point into here. Now for base point, I will click at this top point, and then you can move the rectangles. Like I will use this option to move strike to horizontal like this. So to be resize the rectangle. Okay, you can go to modify, stretch, and select like in the top here. I will use vertical tools and base point. Click in here, move to the top. If you want to change into specific lengths, we can set by reference line. In there, I will use this horizontal line. And then I will set for lengths into 200. Now you can click like from this point. Now we can stretch against this rectangle. You can go to stretch, sort at this point, and then click from this point. Move into here. So it will be automatically stretch the rectangle with specific point. Okay, that's it for basic LibreCAD tutorial how to change rectangle size. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.